Today's recipe is inspired by a dream I had. Let me introduce you to the Hot Dogerella. Patent pending.
Leo cooks things, I cook things.
Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you guys how to do a recipe straight out of one of my dreams. And I'm not talking about one of the weird ones.
Or am I?
Let's get to it. Let's get shreddy. Take it out of its cheese condom. Grate your cheese. Careful with your fingers. You don't want pieces of you inside it. Even though that's what the dream had. Cheese is good. Cheese is good. No, Mother told us not to do that. Now get yourself a couple serranos. I should probably wash these. Woo! Yep. Yeah. We're gonna remove the seeds because we don't want it too spicy. But if you do, keep it. Make sure to wash your hands after cutting chilies. Or touch your eyes. Both of those actions have consequences. For this next part, I'm gonna char the peppers a little bit. Woo! We just want a light char here. Look at that, see? This chili pepper looks like Anakin Skywalker. Very, very small dice on this. Ooh. Now for the mortadella. A little bit of aged cheddar. Cheddar? I hardly know her. Now notice I'm not putting any toppings on this top part because I want it to be able to stick to itself when we roll it up. Serrano peppers, yeah. Ba, ba, ba. Get off me. Get off my fingers. Now give it a beautiful little rollage. And that's one. Be patient, be gentle, be loving. Perfect little love logs.
Dreams are awesome.
Chop in those chives. Bunch of chive turkeys over here. Chives go in a bowl. Ooh. And with the chives, I'm gonna put in some fried shallots. Mix up the chives and the shallots. Let's cook up some doggers. Woo! Medium heat-ish. So it's the same way as if you're making a burrito. You wanna do seam side down first. If you enjoy dream food ideas, like and subscribe. But don't do it in your dreams, do it here, for real. Little Maillard going on here. I'm gonna use some brioche buns here, so toast those up while that's happening. Now we're gonna just transfer these to a wire rack. Ow, that's hot, no big deal, that's fine. Now you just treat them like regular hot dogs, guys. It's very hot for the hands. Ow, ow. I'm gonna do a little bit of mustard. Top them up with those fried shallot stuffs. Hot Dogerellas, or whatever name we choose to name these. Are you as good as you were in my dreams? Ha! Success! Oh yeah. Follow your dreams. Bye, friends. More of you goes in my face.